In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty deleted items in Outlook. If you use Outlook as your email client, you might notice that over time, your deleted items folder can get a bit crowded. Regularly clearing out this folder helps manage your storage and keeps your inbox organized. So, let's go through the process step by step to make sure you master this task effortlessly. First things first, ensure that your Outlook application is open and you're signed in. This might seem obvious, but it's always a good idea to start at the very beginning. Once you have Outlook open, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. In this area, you'll find a list of folders. You're looking for the folder labeled Deleted Items. It's usually located just below your inbox, so it should be easy to spot. Once you've located the Deleted Items folder, use your mouse or trackpad to right-click on it. For those unfamiliar, a right-click can often reveal more options than a standard left-click, making this an essential tool for navigating Outlook efficiently. When you right-click the Deleted Items folder, a context menu appears. From this menu, look for the option that says Empty Folder. Selecting this option quickly and easily allows you to delete all contents from the Deleted Items folder. Now, before you proceed further, Outlook will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is crucial as it prevents accidental deletions of emails you might want to retrieve later. The confirmation message will ask if you're sure you want to permanently delete all items in the Deleted Items folder. If you are ready to proceed, click Yes to confirm your decision. By clicking Yes, you authorize Outlook to remove all emails and items within that folder permanently. And just like that, you're done. All emails in the Deleted Items folder have been removed, freeing up space and keeping your folder list tidy. If your Deleted Items folder had accumulated many emails over time, it can be quite satisfying to see it refreshed and empty. To wrap things up, let this be a reminder to make emptying your Deleted Items folder a regular part of your inbox maintenance strategy. Not only does this practice help manage your mail storage, but it also ensures that you are more aware of what is coming in and out of your email account. Regularly going through this process also minimizes digital clutter, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in your inbox. Thank you for watching. Stay organized and keep checking back for more useful tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your email experience.